Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Trezor Safe 5. First, ensure you have your recovery seed readily available. This is crucial for restoring your assets after any reset. We will cover two primary methods, a factory reset and a device wipe. Each serves a different purpose, and understanding the distinction is key to securely managing your hardware wallet. Let's dive into the specifics of each option to help you make an informed decision for your device. A factory reset completely erases all data from your Trezor Safe 5, returning it to its original out-of-the-box state. This includes all private keys and device settings. It is a thorough process, making your device safe to sell or give to another person. Remember, your 24-word recovery seed is absolutely vital. Without it, you will permanently lose access to your funds, so double-check its security before proceeding with this reset. Wiping your Trezor Safe 5 is another powerful option that removes all stored data and settings, effectively making the device blank. Unlike a factory reset, wiping often prepares the device for a fresh initialization by the current owner. This method is particularly useful if you suspect your device might have been compromised, or if you simply want to start over with new settings and a new wallet. It ensures a clean slate for your security. After performing either a factory reset or a wipe, you have two main paths. If you intend to continue using your existing wallet, you will restore it using your 24-word recovery seed. Alternatively, if you are starting completely fresh, you can set up a brand new wallet on your Trezor Safe 5. Always ensure you are using the official Trezor Suite software for any setup or restoration process to maintain maximum security.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.